So there's definitely something broken inside of this watch. There's a piece obviously that's loose inside of it, and that's what's holding everything up. What I've done so far is that I've taken it all the way down to the gear train, and there's still something that's catching somewhere within the gears that is not allowing the power to make it to the balance wheel efficiently. And see, it's like really being tied up, and every now and then it runs for a little while, and then it stalls out. So what this needs is a full service, and that's just an unreasonable thing to do to this watch. So I'm just going to put it back together as is. And you know, do we all believe in miracles? Look at that, it's starting to run. The problem always seemed to happen whenever I threw the auto winding rotor on it. Look at that, it's really slowing down now. So I could leave it as a manual wind like this without the auto winding rotor, because maybe that might be like jamming things up. I can't imagine why, but it's probably just coincidence. So we'll see. So here it is with the rotor back on. Still exhibiting the same issues as before. It starts to run when I apply more power directly to the barrel. Again, this is not typical watch practice here, horology practice, but this movement is essentially non-serviceable, so just treat this like a learning experience. Look at that. It's like, essentially sometimes things just need to get knocked loose and then they start moving again, and then it gets jammed up again. It's like whenever whatever debris is in there is knocked loose. Because when I opened up the case, there was a piece of the click spring, which is essentially just on this and this is a very like primitive click, so it was broken and it fell out of the case when I opened it up, and I'm assuming that another piece of clicks is down in there in the movement, jamming something up. So that's all I got for you. Thanks.